Sorry.
Hi guys, I'd like to thank you for coming out, and today we're going to learn a little bit about soil. What do you guys know about soil?
It's made of dirt.
Not considered dirt, it's considered soil.
It's got nutrients in it, makes stuff grow.
Yes,
That
it
tree.
does. Yes, that is a very large tree that has had lots of nutrients over lots of years. Okay, so does anybody know the three classifications of soil textures?
Silt, clay, and sand.
Yep, there we go.
Dirt.
So later we're gonna learn how to ribbon. Has anyone ribbon? Okay, well, we'll cover that. So how about what is soil made of? Anyone know what soil is made of? Okay, soil is made of organic matter, minerals, air, and water.
What are the percentages on those?
Okay, good question. A typical soil is composed of 5% organic matter, 50% mineral, 25% water, and 20% air. So, if you have a bad date, you can say that you walked on air, because soil has 25% and 20% air. Pretty good one. Okay, so why don't we start with the ribboning, okay? So to ribbon, you take your soil and you put a little bit of water in it to make it form together, like this. You might need to add a little bit more if it gets too runny. And then you just ribbon it out. And if it goes an inch, that means that you've got good soil texture, which is your silt, which is your good soil. And if it goes over an inch, like your clay will, because it's got small particle size, then you know your soil's clay, because the particles stick closer together. And then your sand will be less than an inch, because you've got coarse particles, so they're far apart and they won't stick together very well. So I'll let you guys try that. So just grab a handful of soil and give a little squirt of water to it, and you'll be able to there you go. There you got it.
Oh, it's a good one.
Yep. That's over an inch, isn't it?
Yeah, probably.
Yep. So that's some pretty good soil there. It's got a little bit of clay in it, but a little bit's alright. How's yours coming over there?
Good.
It's good.
It's alright.
And then you'll see that the silt, it is a lot easier to get together and ribbon out. The silt's that one. And then the sand just about falls apart, and the clay really sticks together. So here you guys go. You guys can clean up a little bit. Yep. Okay. So since we did the ribboning and the soil is composed of organic matter, what has organic matter in it? Or what is organic matter? How about that? Yes. So, what would be some dead things that would possibly be in the soil?
That tree.
Yeah?
Dead plant.
Yes?
Some leaves,
Yeah?
grass.
Animals? All those. So, when you see we have a lot of no-till. So that means that we leave our trash from our fields out there. Our stubble, our corn stalks, our bean stalks, our sunflower stalks, all of that out there. And this decomposes and gives us organic matter. And here we have a couple trays with, it's a replication of no-till and conventional till. And if I could have a couple volunteers over here pour water through these, and you'll see that the one will be clearer water and the other will be dirtier water. And that is from erosion. It'll erode and you'll be able to see that the soil will be able to clean out contaminants like over-applicating a fertilizer or chemical spills, over-applicating about anything and everything that could possibly go down and contaminate the water table, which is our main source of water. So, if I could have you guys start dumping water there, which do you think is going to be cleaner?
One with the
The one
grass.
with the green grass.
As you can tell, we have a little bit of an erosion problem in the one. Okay, so can you guys all see the difference in the water color? That one there is a little bit cleaner than this one, because this one had the dirt particles going with it. So, which do you want your drinking water to be?
Tough choice,
Organic
but I'm gonna
matter.
go with that.
Okay. So does anyone have any questions about soil or comments? Anyone? Okay. Well, thank you for coming and thanks for your time and hope you learned a lot. So, about soil. Sound good?